WhatsApp just made juggling multiple accounts on one phone way easier, and it's a game changer. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. iPhone and Android users can switch between two WhatsApp accounts without logging out, making life simpler for anyone balancing work, personal chats, or even multiple clients. Each account keeps its own messages, notifications, privacy settings, and backups separate so you won't mix business with pleasure. For iPhone users, the process is straightforward. Just open WhatsApp, tap the Settings tab, and click the downward arrow next to your profile to see your accounts. Switching between them is as easy as tapping the account you want. If you can't add a second account, a quick iPhone restart or reconnecting your Wi-Fi and mobile data usually fixes the issue. Make sure your app is up to date, and you can even add another account by tapping the plus icon beside your profile in Settings. Android users have it just as simple. Open WhatsApp, tap the three-dot-more options menu, and choose Switch Accounts to move between your two accounts. Like iPhone, the max is 2 accounts per device. You'll still get notifications from the account you're not actively using, but you must switch over to read messages or check calls. If adding a second account doesn't work, restarting your phone or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data typically resolves the problem here too, and always ensure the latest WhatsApp version is installed. This new feature is perfect for anyone who wants to keep their professional and personal lives separate, manage multiple projects, or just make messaging less chaotic. WhatsApp is finally making account management easy, and it couldn't have come at a better time for busy users who hate logging in and out constantly. For more updates, tips, and tricks like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.